High School parents and students. Welcome to our first ever virtual open house Meet Your Teacher event. Our staff has worked hard for the past week and a half to prepare for today's meetings and the start of this very unique school year. The past few months have brought many challenges we are still enduring today, but I am so confident that our parents, staff, and students are motivated to make this the best school year ever. Today, you will hear an overview of our plans for opening the school year digitally and plans to transition students in the building when the COVID-19 conditions improve. I'll provide the school-wide overview, which will be followed by the most important component of today's event, and that is meeting the teachers. At the completion of the overview, parents and students will follow the Patriot Day schedule, where each teacher will provide a more in-depth look at their course curriculum and classroom expectations. With that said, I'd like to start with discussing our daily schedule. Berkmar High School's modified block schedule is designed to allow for a manageable daily course load with built-in intervention and extension opportunities. On Mondays and Wednesdays, our students will report to 4 classes. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, they will report to 3 classes and an academy time block for interventions, enrichment, and other various activities. Each Friday is a Patriot Day. On this day, students follow a 7-block schedule where teachers provide the opportunities to review material from the past 4 days. There are 2 exceptions to this weekly schedule. The first week of school, or the first 3 days of school, students will follow their Patriot Day schedule on Wednesday. Thursday is an A day, and Friday will be a B day. The other exception will be 4-day school weeks where Monday is a holiday. On short weeks, we will eliminate Patriot Day and follow an AB schedule. All of this will be posted on your teacher's e-class well in advance of it happening. As we begin school digitally, we have provided lots of information for students and parents on the homepage of our website under Fall 2020 information. One of the documents included is a list of expectations we have for ourselves, along with those things we believe our parents and students can do to ensure we have a successful school year. The following are some of the major expectations, but please remember the entire list is on our school webpage. I'd like to start with teachers will be providing a daily combination of synchronous and asynchronous instruction in each class. What does this mean? Synchronous is when everyone is interacting through a live Zoom-like platform and are visible to be seen. This is likely a time teachers will provide direct instruction of the content. Asynchronous are those other times when teachers share videos, upload assignments, and any other materials to enhance their learning as students work offline and or on their own. Next, our teachers will be on time, visible, live, showing their faces, active and digitally engaged daily. The expectation is that our students are as well. We need students actively engaged, specifically when there is a live session. Show your face, engage with your teachers and classmates, and embrace the digital environment. Everyone knows we require respectful interactions when in the building. Please know we have that same expectation online. Please have positive interactions at all times, digitally or in person. You will receive more information about this and digital citizenship from your teachers. Our teachers will record all live sessions for students and parents to view later in the day. This will help in the times when a student is absent or simply wants to review the material covered previously. Unlike in the spring digital learning days, students are required to attend class daily at the scheduled time. Again, we are following our bell schedule, and students will need to join all live sessions. Students should take advantage of the available interventions and enrichment times set by their teachers. That is extremely important. Parents, please help establish a schedule for your students. Creating an effective routine around our schedule and expectations will only ensure success for your student. Teamwork. Parents, students, and teachers have to establish reliable means of communication and then effectively use those channels. Communication will be key to being successful during these ever-changing times. Again, those are just a few tips for success. Please go to our website for a full list. Students, please know that we will be addressing discipline for issues occurring online and in our building. So as always, please be on your best behavior. In addition, your attendance is extremely vital for your success regardless of you being online or in the building. We need you present at every class, every day. Again, this year will be different from how we closed out last year. Attendance will be recorded and shared with the appropriate individuals, specifically your parents. We also need everyone following our safety guidelines when in the building. Our goal is to have all students physically in the building at some point, and the district has outlined plans to make that happen. However, our gradual return plans will have extensive safety protocols, including mandatory mask wearing and social distancing. Students, please know that academy time will continue to be reserved for extra time with your teachers. Some will need continued support with topics previously taught, while others may need time to extend beyond what was shared during the class time. We will also have time for advisement lessons, along with the opportunity for clubs and coaches to meet with their students. Fridays will serve in a different capacity this year. Fridays are Patriot Days and reserved for reviewing and supporting students. Students are required to attend all classes on Fridays, as teachers will have prepared lessons to review content delivered earlier that week. As I close out and get you all to your teachers, the following are a few additional items to remember. Please complete the free and reduced lunch form. Believe it or not, that application serves multiple purposes and is extremely vital for funding for both families and the school alike. Our community school continues to provide outstanding opportunities for our Berkmar families. Please go to our website to view the various programs available to you, your students, and those in your community. The Berkmar landing page is your one-stop shop for all important school-wide information and announcements. Please be sure to check it daily. Parents, you will be happy to know that all of your child's e-class course pages are structured the same for easy and consistent use. Once a month, I hold Principal's Corners, which is an opportunity for students and parents to discuss various topics that impact our school. I encourage you all to join me during these Saturday meetings to get the most up-to-date information about Berkmar High School. This Saturday is our first Principal's Corner, so please find the Zoom link with times on our website. I encourage all students, especially our ninth graders and transfer students, to link into the various clubs, sports, and activity Zoom sessions at the conclusion of this program today. Our extracurricular programs are hosting informational opportunities for everyone via Zoom at approximately 11:30 a.m. I strongly encourage you to get involved and join an extracurricular program. Your teachers will direct you to those links at the conclusion of the last block today. Now let's prepare to meet our teachers. Again, students, you will follow your Patriot Day schedule by logging into eClass and going to your teachers' pages. All 7 blocks will run for approximately 15 minutes each, and there will be 2 built-in breaks for everyone to get up and stretch or use the restroom. Please check our website again for the open house bell schedule. Thank you all for joining this morning. The Berkmar faculty and staff is excited to support you all this upcoming school year. Enjoy the rest of open house.